The basic elements of this drill involve rolling back and then coming up to a forearm and opposite leg stance with some rotation. Up next is a detailed explanation of how to set up each layer of this exercise. Starting with this most basic layer, rolling back and then planting the forearm to the ground and the opposite foot as well, even if you're supporting yourself with your hip like I am here on the bottom leg. And then crossing the midline, so trying to feel your obliques when you reach toward that lower leg. The next layer, you're going to be planting the opposite foot to the forearm you're planting. That's the most apparent thing that I want you to take note of here. If my left forearm's planting, my right foot is also planting, and then I'm reaching the opposite limbs toward each other to get that rotational or that oblique work. Then the third level is just to straighten the leg out a bit more so you have a longer leverage to work with and is more challenging in that way.